Hello guys, I'm shaurya Singh. Yep, it's really me, your friend from Mapple Kids Learning Channel. Today our topic is heart. Yep, so we're not talking about this love heart. Nah. Hey, it's not Valentine's Day today. We're going to talk about real heart.
Yeah.
So that means the function of heart, how blood gets oxygen.
Yeah. So we are going to talk about the function of heart. We'll be talking.
Yeah. So what's your name?
Oh, okay. My name is Sanjeev.
Yeah.
And myself and Shaurya are learning about different organs of our body, different diseases. And in that series, this is our first series. We are going to talk about heart functioning.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead.
So this is the heart.
Yeah. So this is a dissected heart. The heart has been cut from between, and we are able to see several. We are going to explain you what is what. Yes. So two things here is shown. One is your heart, and another is your lungs.
Yeah. And your blood cells, of course.
Yeah. So mostly we are going to talk about heart. What is the functioning of heart? Okay.
Yeah.
So one thing we know very well, कि heart is about all your managing of your blood.
Yeah. Okay.
If heart will be not there, there will be no suction of blood. Blood will not go in your
and you will
body.
Practically not be alive.
Right. So let's start.
Okay. So the heart functioning is number 1. The heart with the blood cells with deoxygenated blood. That means no oxygen.
Yeah.
In
so
that
blood
cell.
Deoxygenated blood, the blood which has been used by the cells.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have oxygen now, so that blood needs to have oxygen. Yeah. Because without oxygen, the blood is useless.
Yes.
Okay.
So the first step is that the deoxygenated blood enters to the superior vena cava, or it can go through the inferior vena cava.
Yeah.
It has both ways. It can decide.
Right. So there are multiple veins. Some veins are connected to super vena cava, and some veins are connected via inferior vena cava.
Yeah.
And from both places, it has to go where?
The right atrium.
Right. Then what happens?
Then the right atrium, the blood from the right atrium goes into the right ventricle. And that's step number 2.
Yeah. So step number 2, as you told, the task is to go into right atrium.
Yeah.
Then stage 3
is that it goes into the right ventricle.
Yeah. So from right atrium, it enter into right ventricle.
Here. And then the 4th step is it goes through the pulmonary valve.
Artery. Yeah, right. So this is pulmonary valve. So from right ventricle, task is to push that blood.
Yeah.
So that it will enter into pulmonary artery, and from here what will happen?
It will, step 5, we go on to the next stage, it will enter into the lungs. You know the lungs, right? It is a twin shaped thing, like a ghost bed sheet, and it weighs 1.5 kg. So the lungs carries oxygen, and the blood cells will go into the lungs and get oxygen. Then the blood cells will come back here, and it will go through the pulmonary veins.
Right. So as you said, lungs are the source of oxygen.
Yeah.
So whenever we breathe, the oxygen goes into lungs. Okay.
Yeah.
And that oxygen will be mixed with this unclean blood, which needs oxygen. It will mix, and then the clean blood, means with oxygenated blood, that will enter into
pulmonary veins. Now we move on to our seventh step. Stage number 7. It goes through the left atrium.
Yeah.
So, what is the left atrium? Please tell us.
Yeah. So left atrium only receives the fresh blood, which is oxygenated blood, through the pulmonary vein, and through this mitral valve, it will enter into left ventricle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see this blood we have shown. This blood is more red now, more clean now, and that is sitting here.
Yeah.
Then
and it's not like a burnt thing.
Yeah. So from here, what will happen? What will be the next step?
The next step number 8, it will go to the aortic valve.
Yeah. So through aortic valve, what will happen?
It will enter in the aorta.
Yeah. So from here, you can see this passage. Through this passage, it goes here. Now, one thing I was showing you, that this aortic valve has 3 leaves.
Yeah.
This valve has 3 leaves.
No, that means it has 3 passageways. Anyone that the blood cells can decide.
Yeah. And if out of the 3 leaves in the valve, if one leaf is not there, then that valve is called bicuspid valve. And
that means
lot of people, including me, I have bicuspid valve. Means ki I have, instead of 3 leaves, I have only 2 leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So not me, of course. I do not have.
You have 3 leaves, but I have checked with doctor, and I have only 2 leaves. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
a young 7, right? That means optimal kid's age.
Not like that. One who gets old, he get 2. No. By birth, some people get 2 leaves. By birth, some people get 3 leaves. If you have 3 leaves, you are more healthier than a person who has 2 leaves. So you are more healthier than me, obviously. Then comes 9th. So all the fresh blood is in aorta.
And then it enters to the artery and enter into the body.
Whole body will get this fresh blood. Fresh blood, and then cells will enjoy and they'll having energy.
And then they'll kick out the dirty blood cells, and it will go into the inferior vena cava or superior vena cava again.
Perfect. So this is the task that the heart has to receive all the bad blood through veins and let it get oxygenated through lungs, and then again push the fresh blood to body through artery.
Yeah, so this is the passageway of the blood cells. So this is what the heart functions about, and thank you. And now I'm going to show you a real heart, like this. Look, there is the aorta, and these are the parts of the heart.
Right.
Okay, so thank you for watching this video. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and get notifications every week.
And wait for us with more new videos for organs, diseases, etc.
Okay, bye.